Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project title Intelligent Fraud Detection in Financial Statements using Machine Learning and Data Mining, a systematic literature review. Now we are going to discuss about abstract. Fraud is a large-scale problem which affects the various entities from public sector to private sectors, including government, profit and non-profit organizations. In our process, the system is developed to detect the fraud in financial by using the machine learning algorithm. We predict the values as fraud and non-fraud for more accuracy and predict the future fraud. First, we select and view the data set for future purpose, and we split the data as training data and test data for getting to predict the values. It is essential to train the models on data which includes fraud and relevant non-fraud. By using the machine learning algorithm, the system is to classify the fraud and non-fraud, and results shows that the accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score and also predictions. This shows that method used in this project can predict the possibility of fraud accurately in most of the cases. This model is the simple and effective way to avoid such frauds and save those expenditures. Now we are going to discuss about flow diagram. First we need the input data set. The input data set was collected from dataset repository like UCI repository. Then we can load the collected input data and save and view the dataset. After that we can implement the pre-processing. Here we can check null values or missing values and label encoding for avoiding wrong prediction. Then we can split the pre-processing data into test and train. Most of the data are present in train set and smaller portion of the data is present in test data set. Test data is used for prediction. Train data is used for evaluate the test data. Then we can implement the classification algorithms such as random forest, KNN and AdaBoost algorithm for classify or predict the fraud or non-fraud in financial statement. Finally, we can estimate performance of accuracy, prediction, recall and F1 score. Then we can compare the accuracy of these three algorithms and show in bar graph. Now we are going to see about output. First module is data selection. This is our original data set. In this data set, just we show the first 20 records for viewing. The second module is data pre-processing. Here find the missing values or null values, and here find the missing values or null values, and if there is any null values or missing values, to fill the zero in the missing values. And encoding label. Here we encode the categorized data to integer data for more accuracy and prediction in machine learning. The next module is data splitting. Now we have to split the dataset into train and test dataset. The next module is implement the classification algorithm. First we choose the random forest algorithm. This is our classification performance. These are precision, recall, F1 score and support, and the accuracy is 99.9. Next, KNN and AdaBoost algorithm. This is similar to random forest algorithm. Then we have to predict the value, so we give the input of each columns for accurate prediction. The first column is enter the step, type, amount, then name original, The old balance is 181 and the new balance is 0. Next, name destination 7874 and the old balance is 0 and new balance is 0 and the flagged fraud is 0. Here this date from input data, this is our prediction. Here we can compare the three algorithm accuracy and showed in the bar graph.